Alright, so what's up YouTube? This is going to be a quick video of the 2013 Ford Mustang V6 with the muffler delete. I'm going to do a couple revs and whatnot. I just started it up for today and the video crashed, so we're doing this for take two. So, that's what it sounds like from outside. I'll be doing another video when I get the GoPro fixed of the point of view from inside the car. But overall, it's really good. I like it. It makes it sound a little bit better and a little bit meaner, you know, for it to be a V6. It's not as good as the V8, unfortunately, but it gets the job done. But hopefully we'll be getting a 5.0 pretty soon. And this will be the little weekend driver instead of the daily. But overall, I'm not really too disappointed in the car. I mean, it has a lot of power for a V6. Definitely can spin tires. But yeah, so this is the muffler delete video. I'll be making a part 2 of the cabin pretty soon. So hopefully everybody enjoys.